Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to fix low quality video uploads on TikTok. First of all, allow high quality uploads in the app's post settings. So we're gonna hit the plus button at the bottom middle. We're gonna create a new post. So hit the photos or albums at the bottom left and select the video. It has to be a video. So I'm gonna go rapid fire and select a video.
أنا ما خلصت version thing.
Inside, what I'm gonna do, before posting, I'm gonna go to more options. Inside, turn on allow high quality uploads. This will force your videos to be posted in high resolution, right? Record your footage in 1080p instead of 4K. Edit using the correct aspect ratio for TikTok and ensure you're connected to a strong, stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. Consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.